Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present about my seminar on thesis proposal for the final exam. In here, my name is Thirta Manthofani. I'm from the 7th semester. My proposal, the title, Effectiveness of Gamification to Enhance Writing Skill to EFL Student to English for Learner Student. My background study, one of the interactive learning media that can be used in WordWall, as stated by Macfiro 2018, in his research that WordWall media is able to create beneficial interaction for the student. WordWall PM Sari and Yarza 2021 is an application that can be used as interesting learning medium or assessment tool for student online learning. Student must also pay attention to how to generate ideas, structure sentence and paragraph, and use grammar and vocabulary accurately. Choosing the right learning media is one of the best bridges to convey knowledge more easily. Learning in the current era requires the use of appropriate learning media according to the current condition and needs of students. Choosing the right learning media is very important as an incentive for students to make the teaching and learning process easier. Vidian and Pradana 2017. My problem statement, the first, how effective is the use of gamification to improve EFL English for Learner writing skill dalam kurung WordWall. Secondly, what is the impact of implementing gamification on student engagement and motivation in enhanced EFL writing skill? My research objective, the main objective of the research are the number one, to evaluate the effectiveness of gamification media in improving student writing skill. Number two, to measure the impact of the WordWall game on learning. Okay, this is my proposal. WordWall is my treatment, and gamification, the multimodal is the WordWall. Okay. Previous study, WordWall as a learning media to increase student reading interest 2023. The integration of WordWall within the teaching and learning process is believed to increase students' reading interest science. It has various features that can create new learning material innovation. This paper aims to discover the characteristic of WordWall and its benefit as learning media to increase student reading interest. WordWall as learning media also acquired positive response from the student. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Why WordWall? There are various applications developed based on principle of gamification. Digital media or application designed to evaluate learning media in the form the quizzes. WordWall is a gamification platform that presents evaluation in the form of quizzes and various other game features. This platform allows users to quickly and easily create interactive activities for your student. It also provides users a variety of option activities, making learning more fun. Heck et al. 2021. WordWall can help teachers create interactive learning media to improve student reading and speaking skill. Apart from that, there are also important factors such as grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. To that, there is still a lack of interest in reading among students. This platform could be the solution in learning English. Students are expected to be able to understand in English context. Why reading? Reading skills are an important foundation in all takes of life, starting from the elementary level educational up to university, and even in work. Susilawati 2017. Which writing skill, passive skill are difficult and boring because students are too required to pay more attention and try to learn how to analyze, synthesis, or respond critically to certain information. Pradana et al. 2020. My theoretical framework. This research will be guided by relevant educational theories such as gamification, learning theory, to understand how worthwhile media can contribute and meaningful learning experience, especially to improve student writing skill. This is my timeline. This screen. Type of activity: preparation and design, implementation and data collection, data analysis and report complication. The time: January, February, and March. In this year 2024. Preparation and design: prepare to class for the research object. Implementation and data collection: for example, object from the different class. I will be able to process from the pretest and post-test. Data analysis and report complication: I will calculate the data I obtained regarding effectiveness to evaluate the data. I am the analyst for the data. Chapter 3: Research Methodology. My research design, a quasi-experimental research design, will apply to compare the outcome before and after implementation gamification of worthwhile games on students. The same class will be measured before and after the intervention to determine its impact. This method for the proposal is quantitative. I am the research design, the quasi-experiment quasi-experiment research. Research sample: student at SMP Negeri 1 Gedek of gamification to enhance writing skill will be the research subject. Population is the class 7th grade. My sample 7A and 7C, the class used as object. Data collection instrument: the first class observation. 2, pretest and post-test implementation. 3, questionnaire. The first, I will give student for the paper to post-test, the pretest. So I give the treatment the worthwhile, and after I give to the post-test. The last is questionnaire. Data processing and analysis. 1, data entry, data description, normality test, intelligent different test, pretest, post-test, data processing, test from different between group post-test, comparative analysis, different analysis, data visualization, configuration, and interpretation. Interpretation of result: the result of data analysis will be interpreted, draw conclusions regarding effectiveness of gamification to enhance writing skill to English for learning student. This conclusion will provide valuable insight for the educational development in the school. My reference: this seminar proposal outline plans and the will be elementary, the effectiveness of gamification to enhance writing skill to evaluate student, junior hem 1 Gedek. Thank you for the watching. I stay healthy and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.